Guys, so today we will be learning how to make this brush right here. It's called the shadow brush, and it's really addictive to use, like really addictive. So let's go ahead and get started in the tutorial. We're going to go up here and press the plus sign, and I'm going to make a new canvas. The dimensions, let's see, go to inches, and let's do a 10-inch by 10-inch. And we're going to leave the DPI at 300, and so that makes it 25 layers. That's a lot of layers to use. And the color profile is set to RGB, so that's fine. Press create. And the first thing you're going to do to create this brush is go to monoline, and I'm going to use black. So what I did to get true black is double tap, and then it'll jump over to black. So what we're going to do is draw a circle. Wow, that is huge. Let's bring this down. That's better. Draw a circle, press and hold. My pencil is still on the screen, and tap with one finger to get that perfect circle. Then you're going to drag the color from the corner and drop it right on top. Go ahead and slide this layer over to the left and duplicate. Then we're going to select this circle and drag it up and diagonally to the right. And make sure they're touching. Okay. Go ahead and select the bottom layer. Open your color panel and double tap on gray to get that gray color. Then we're going to drag and drop on the gray circle. After that, pinch to merge. And it's really important to make sure that these circles are centered. So down here where it says snapping, turn snapping on. Make sure snapping is on. So that way you can see exactly where the center of your canvas is. So there's a center and there's a center. All right, let's go ahead and set the background color to black. And then tap on layer 1 and invert that layer so it looks like this. Oops. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to the actions tool. So this wrench at the top. Press copy. And now you're ready to make this brush. So let's go to the brush library. Press the plus sign. And we are going to go to shape and hit edit. Import and hit paste. And it should look like this. If it doesn't look like this, then you did not copy the layer, but it should look like this. So if not, just try to leave a comment down below and I will help you as best as possible. So press done and your shape should look like this. So you could go over here and see what it looks like. It looks good so far. So let's go to stroke path and set spacing to 0 and increase streamline. So you will have a smooth line. Then we're going to go to rendering and light glaze. I'm going to clear this drawing pad. So the brush is going to look like this. And that looks awesome. So press done. And now let's test our new brush on a new layer. Turn this layer off. And let's play around with some colors. And it looks amazing. So this is how you do the shadow brush, you guys. You did it. This was a short tutorial. It was a highly requested tutorial from TikTok, so I decided to show you guys in a much more detailed version over here. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!